everybody, welcome. Now, just a quick one today. I'll probably do 2 videos today, 2 quick ones. But the first one's going to be Scottish mussels. Aldi's £1.79, I think. Yeah, Scottish mussels with garlic and butter. I haven't had mussels for absolutely years, and I mean years. Probably the 90s, I suppose, when used to have the man come round with the basket, didn't you, the fish, with the vinegar and the little plastic forks and that. Well, we did buy us, I don't know if he did buy you. I ain't had them for years and years, but I've never had them actually cooked in the shells. So let's open them up and let's have a look. Right then, yeah, from Aldi's, made with 100% Scottish mussels, the fishmonger, saucepan 5 minutes. They are quite healthy, aren't they, mussels? 126 calories, half a pack. They're quite good with omegas and all that, aren't they? Let's have a look at them anyway. Microwave or saucepan? I'm going to do mine in the saucepan anyway. I prefer to do things like that than in the microwave. There's all your nutrition and everything. You have yourself a look at that. And there's your ingredients. 450 gram in all. Anyway, let's open them up and have a look. Get them open. That's them there. I don't know whether I'm looking forward to trying them or not, to be honest with you. I don't know whether I'm going to gag or what. So how do we cook them then? Saucepan. Empty contents into a saucepan and place over medium heat. Simmer for 5 minutes. It does not contain live mussels or shells. Some shells may be open when the product is removed from the bag. Prior to reheating, discard any mussels which have not opened during preheating. Okay, so anyone that ain't open after cooking, we will remove. I think that's what it says. Remove from the bag. Prior to reheating, discard any mussels that have not opened during preheating yet. There we go then, so let's well, I'll open them up in a saucepan. I'll open them now and I'll go everywhere, won't it? Right, I'm going to open them up. Don't want the plastic in there. Let's get them all in. Quite a lot actually in there. To be fair to you. There they are. Smells a little bit garlicky buttery. Just a bit, not a lot. So what we'll do, we'll let them cook. Oh, and that's just back. Good, so you can try some with me when you're done. Right, they're done. I think most of them have opened, probably steaming up. And that says it smells like a dirty river. So I'm going to stick them in a bowl with the garlic. I'll have a look to see any are open. So there they are. I think they're all open actually. I had a quick look. They're all open. So let's have a little taste of them. There they're meat. With juice. With the garlic butter. Got myself a little product. I'm not sucking them. I could do, I suppose. Might need a spoon. Salty. Just not much garlic in there, just a drop. Try another one. There's this, the bigger one, full one. They're not bad. They're not bad. I thought I wouldn't have liked them. I do like them. They have got a nice bit of fish to them. Bit of fishy taste. Like the sea, obviously. Wonder if Anne wants to try one. I don't think she will. I'd eat them again. Not that I eat them often anyway. But I would do. If I like that sort of stuff. There was some of these empty shells, eh? I thought I was going to gag on them. That's... Nah, do you want to try some of my mussels? I'm quite enjoying them actually, to be honest with you. You want to try some of my mussels?
That smells like a dirty river in here.
That smells like a dirty river. Let me try. You want to try some?
One of them. The smell disgusting.
How about the can work? I just ain't set everything up. It's only early in the morning.
Hello everyone, it's too early to be eating this sort of food.
Go on, have a crack. Well, it's not early. I mean, it's 10:30.
How did you get them? Oh, you're supposed to put these in soup or pasta?
All right.
What's that? That's...
Get it in your gob.
Or is it green?
It's off the sea, isn't it?
Do you want me to eat that?
Yeah, get it in. You don't have to. I like it. I like it. They're quite nice. I quite like them, I do.
I'll have a little nibble.
Just pull it out and get it.
Nasty man. But you can eat that bit.
You eat it all. It's a mussel, isn't it?
I don't know.
Popeye.
I know the mussels. It's not for me.
It's not for you. Don't like them. You don't like them. I quite like them, I do.
They smell nasty.
I quite like them.
They've got garlic in them.
It's garlic butter. That's what it's cooked in. I do other ones with, I think it's red wine sauce or something.
Oh God, that garlic's strong. After.
You think it's strong? Well, I don't think it's that strong, are they?
No, oh. They look like a bit of the fish.
You got the gooey. You got all this here. Look, I don't like that.
You've got all the
Well, you
fish,
can't
but
see.
then the aftertaste, you can taste the garlic.
Mm.
You can smell the garlic really bad.
Oh well. There you go. If you like fish and you like that sort of stuff, cockles, mussels, and all that, you probably like them. I quite like them. I'd eat them again. Not very often though.
How much they cost you?
$1.79, I
That's
think.
not bad. For
Not
one
bad. Yeah,
for one person.
No, for two. Yeah, that's for two.
Oh, is it?
So share them for two. Yeah.
Oh, they're not for me.
Yeah. There you go. Just thought I'd do them. There's a quick one this morning, one that was out. As I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. I'll see you later. I will be doing another one this afternoon. Get my camera equipment out properly. But that was just a quick one. Bye bye.